Okay, in this question, we have a vocab and context question focusing on the word here, address. Now, interestingly enough, you'll notice that this word is used twice, both in lines 3 and in 6. And because it's used in the same way, we really only need to focus on one of the two. And what we're going to do here, of course, is come up with our own word based on the context of the sentence. So if we read here, it says, in early 20th century England, it was fashionable to claim that only a completely new style of writing could blank a world undergoing unprecedented transformation. So our own word, our own OW here, is, well, let's see, only this new style could blank a world undergoing such unprecedented transformation. So address could mean to speak to here. When you address an audience, you speak to an audience. Here, a new style of writing can speak to a world that's undergoing such a new, profound transformation. And so in this case, there's our own word. Now, luckily enough, this actually matches up here with answer choice C. This will sometimes happen, doesn't mean it's wrong, but let's look at some of the other answer choices. If we look at D, which is a little bit tempting, if you plug that in, direct attention toward, which of course you shouldn't, by the way, you should always come up with your own word, but if you get caught plugging that in, you may convince yourself here that this new style is directing attention toward a world. But it's not directing attention toward a world, the question here is whether or not it can address or speak to it, whether this world undergoing this transformation will be able to make sense of that writing. Does that writing address you? Does it speak to those people? Not necessarily direct attention towards those people. So again, the answer is C.